So this is the question you can set up like this. This can be placed on the left hand side in Firefox. On the right hand side you can put the killer quota as the background. In this I can open the IO sheet. Okay, so what do you say? Create a new storage class name, local text with local. Okay, set the volume binding mode to wait for the customer, okay, and configure the storage class local path as a default storage class. Do not modify existing deployment, and is it adjusting first? Adjusting storage class, cake gate storage class, okay, then already a storage class is adjusting here. Everything which has its own and its accessories are being matched. So now we have to practice. There are two ways. First, we delete it, create the blank background. Well, in the exam, I do not know what type of scenario will be. And look in the exam, I am telling the solution here in the exam. Some different type of scenario may be created, some different ML file, or some different setting may be done for the same question. So you have to take action at that time. Remember, it can be a little bit different at any time. So let me delete this delete storage. What is the name of this? Local, okay, then I delete it. Control L, okay, you have to create me. Storage class name, local path, and provisional. Sir, what say dynamic PBC here? I map with each other. So what do I do now? Storage class. Okay, I click on the storage class. Then here I have to go just a little bit. If this object is fine, then the storage class is showing here. Copy it completely to this file. And I will paste that MOK and I will paste here now. What I do not need is the thing I have to remove. Okay. Volume binding mode I need. Okay. So that will remain this. It is not needed. So I this. I delete and don't even need mount option. I'll delete it. The policy is fine. If it is not needed, then I will delete it too. Right comes from above. Right is the API version, is the kind, the name of the storage class. That's what we have to change here. The local path is okay. The annotation here in the annotation, look here. We had to keep it true because we have to set the default or make it true. You are okay. And here we have given you the name of the provisional. Already okay. Adventure and local path. Copy it and paste it, okay? You have written the space provisional. You have written the volume binding. Put the annotation and put the local path. Well and good. So our work has been done here. Do it. If you do this apply of storage ML, then this becomes our storage class. Alright, let's do it. Storage class is fine, then it has become ours. So storage class, I will van it a little bit. I will describe it. Okay, then all these things will be visible in it. I will help control it. Okay, but if you're just like this one is already created, storage class and storage class is created in the exam. And if you don't want to tamper with it, then what do you have to do? What do you need to do to create a new storage class name? The default is to remove the one that is already running in default here, right? So what do you have to do to remove it? What should be done first? If you have to patch, then kubectl is fine. The storage class from the patch command will be OK and P. The simple thing in the patch is that you have to do what you have to do from where it is okay. For him, this one starts and this one closes. Alright, now you have to do it. The metadata is fine. Because you are changing annotation, neither metadata after that call on OK. And after that, you come to second sheet here on Facebook now. Describe the gate storage, describe the storage, local path. Okay, then the annotation in it. Look at this line that is visible. You can also pick up this line directly, copy it, come to the tab, and here it is. Okay, then this is our metadata after. Okay, then fake this one. Okay, and you see how many people are on the left side. Get away, brother. This is a van on the left side. It is 2, it is 3. Then you close these 3 times. Okay, the parenthesis is fine. The name is not given in it. If the local park is fine, then this storage class is not the default yet. Now you will come here and the file, which is the ML file which you created. Okay, edit the ML file. By the way, you do not have to create it there, but it was not created here. For the storage class, okay, we created it ourselves. So there is already a name here. I'm not naming it by name. There you have to give according to the question. I am just giving an example here that what to do if it is already making already. Okay, then this has to be done and that is okay. You have to do things according to the instructions in the question there. Okay, if you put it in this now, then this becomes storage plus now that's storage. If you do class, you will see two storages here. Okay, I also complete it a little bit by minimizing it. I maximize it. So look, there are two coming in it. Okay, you do not see the annotations in it. So what do we have to do? Your question has been answered. After that, don't waste too much time if you have time in the exam later. So come back and check iPhone. Oh, okay, JSAMPath. Will you also get links, etc. with it? But it's very simple and it's very important to understand metadata because these things are in metadata, right? Metadata. Notation, okay? You will click on it. Something has gone wrong. This is the local path we missed, okay? And look here. It is showing what is now. This is what is in the commands. You put /end here. Absolutely fine. Okay, sorry about this. What is it now? Path is done. Now give the name path here. Then you will see fallacies in it. Look, in this it is showing false and in local path and in this it is showing 2 here. Then this is our right. Okay, so be a lot of friends. I will produce this video in all the rest of the details, but for now that's all. Thank you so much.